Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x cubed and its whole square root is equals to 4 cubed and its whole square root, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here you see that this is cubic equation. It means that this equation has 3 roots or less or equals to 3 roots, so we need to find all that roots. So here we move toward the solution of this problem, and I hope so you like this method. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here in the first method, here first we need to remove this square root sign from both of the sides, so that in order to remove the sign we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. This is also square root of 4 cubed and its whole square. And now here further in the next step, you see this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get this is x cubed is equals to this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here this is 4 cubed. And further in the next step, we move this 4 cubed from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x cubed minus 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further you see that this equation will becomes pure in cubic form, so that here we use this nice cubic formula. You know about that, if we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. And you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So according to this cubic formula, we write our above cubic equation as in this form. So first we have this is a minus b, the value of a is x minus the value of b is 4 into, again we have this is a squared, the value of a is x squared plus the value of ab is, the value of a is x and the value of b is 4 plus this is b square, and here our b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus this is 4 times of x plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now from here you see that we easily get the value of x is equals to 4. This is the first root of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other two roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. And you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and the third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all above values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as, here we have this is x is equals to minus b, the value of b is 4. When we put it here it will becomes minus 4 plus minus square root of b square, so b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a. Here our a is equals to 1. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x is equals to, this is minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square, and 4 square becomes 16 minus this is 4 multiplied by 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step you see here inside the square root sign we need to take common 16, and when we take common 16 we get the remaining values are From here we get 1 minus, from here we get 4, and it is divided by 2. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 4 plus minus. Here we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as this is square root of 16 into, and here we have a 1 minus 4, and you know about that 1 minus 4 is equals to minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And here further we just simplify the terms, and it will be written as this is minus 4 plus minus. Here you see that the square root of 16 becomes 4, and here you see that when negative sign appears inside the square root it will becomes iota, and we get a square root of 3 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So in the final step we need to just break this fraction, and we apply these two separately on both of these two values in order to write our answer into the simplified form. So we write this term as minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have the other two roots are complex roots, and these are, here we cancel this term, 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get minus 2 plus minus. This is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. These are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and finally we have x is equals to 4 be the one real root of the given equation. So these are the final three roots of the given equation which we get here in this method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.